KKK Squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but about to leave, heading to Detroit. So yeah guys, now the people are updated on this trip, what's about to happen. Just bored. I'm the only one in this room right here. Just me. So that's the aircraft viewing spot where I'm always at in like previous vlogs. It's so crazy seeing it, you know, from inside the plane because I'm always here every Sunday. But we're about to take off. It being nice. It's so noisy, I guess because it's an Airbus, but it's loud. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna see my boyfriend soon because he's already there in Detroit. By the way, it's a 3-hour flight and when I reach tonight, God, by myself. Just I talk to myself. People must have wondered if me I'm mad. 2 hours later and I'm back. Try to take a nap but made it work. It's still sunny outside. I just want to show you guys the sunset. Still here. It's so beautiful. So we are finally about to land. It's still not dark. Thank God. Good morning. Didn't even come back to update you guys, but I am here at my boyfriend's hotel, in his hotel room. He went to the first floor. I'm just here drinking some cornmeal porridge, true Jamaican. But we're gonna leave soon and go get some breakfast. Just come along the journey with me to see what we have to do today. Tired, just wake. Still in my sleepwear. But let me give you guys a quick rundown. My boyfriend has been here for 2 weeks now. And tomorrow is his birthday, August 28th. But unfortunately, he wasn't going to be in Florida for his birthday. So I came out here to Detroit to spend his birthday with him. Well, we'll be going back home soon together. So just to give a quick rundown why I'm in Detroit. So we're here at the Henry Ford Museum and we're in the gift shop area, just looking at stuff that they have. It's like a car museum, so everything is like about cars. Henry Ford Museum. bus, that's crazy. See the weather school bus. These are all Ford. At school, you can sit in the back seat. The back seat is a trunk. At school. So these are the president's car it starts from the old days, and then you keep going up and you'll see modern like nowadays. Oh, you can go inside there?
Yeah, we took the restrictions off.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So this was the black side.
Yeah, it was.
But they wanted
They're supposed to go to the back.
Yeah,
What were they supposed to be?
back here. They said that the seats were less comfortable.
What seat was she at? They're like investment area.
I wish they
had like a iron seat.
Friday night they should have
Well, I'm trying to sit on that seat. I think it was just a matter of being in the back.
1955. Something extraordinary happened on this very bus. It would change our lives and change the world. Rosa Parks, a quiet, dignified African-American seamstress, challenged the laws of segregation when she refused to give up her seat to a white man. Listen to Rosa Parks tell us what happened on this bus that day.
I left work on my way home December 1st, 1955, about 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I boarded the bus downtown Montgomery on Coach Square. On the third stop, the white passengers had filled the front of the bus. The seat I occupied was the first of the seats where the Negro passengers take as they on this route. The driver noted that the front of the bus was filled with white passengers and there would be 2 or 3 men standing. He looked back and asked that the seat where I had taken, along with 3 other persons, one in the seat with me and 2 across the aisle, was seated. He demanded the seat that we were occupying. The other passengers very reluctantly gave.
I remember having chairs like these in school in Jamaica. now we're about to go get something to eat real fast. So we're about to go get something to eat at this place called Ford's Garage. Like it? That is good. I like frozen stuff, but beer make your belly big. Anyways, I got my drink. Waiting for the food. They got some appetizer over there.
Yeah,
It's loud in here, guys. Alright, so I got the black and blue burger. I don't eat burger, but I'm gonna try it with some fries. Smells good though.
I'm gonna try to cut it, but it's just gonna get the
Yeah. Ford's Garage.
I don't understand how you said the suspensions and Lincolns are better. It's like when the car goes over something, it's like a fucking motorboat.
Oh shit,
They got massage, bro.
That one's for your ass and that one's for your back.
I don't feel nothing on my eyes.
You'll feel it, bro. Trust me. You'll feel it.
I feel like you're taking a shit.
It's just like slow motion.
Yeah. It's just like all it feels like
Going in
is like
smooth. Okay, I feel it on my head.
So we are here at the border of Canada. So across that water, as they just told me, it's Canada. How crazy is that? Wow. There goes the Canada flag. Right there. Canada. Can you see like people? Can you see people and stuff like that?
you can see people, but like you can't. It's like blurry.
Oh,
But you can kind of
see something.
I don't know why it looks so clean over there. Like
The
clean.
houses on the water is so nice. Those are mansions, by the way.
Alright, so we're gonna walk on the fishing pier. It's a long bridge. It kind of looks sketchy, but man, let's see what I'm going.
The water is super nice for what it is.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh. The water is actually really clean and nice. I like it. It says danger, no swim, but everybody's swimming clearly. I guess it's a beach. It looks like a beach. And the ducks are in the water too.
Guys, I found something big on the water. Guys, I found something underwater. Look here. That's it.
There's an ice cream truck.
Sundays are a little bit in between. Sandwiches, Megacool.
Nah, I don't think I want ice cream. I want Cinnabon. Good morning, KK Squad. So it's another day. It's my boyfriend's birthday today, and we are heading to this amusement park called Cedar Point. So I'm just gonna take you guys on the journey with me. Cedar Point.
I wonder which one's the one that's closed. Is it that one right there that goes like that?
That goes over like that.
Damn, that looks so raw though, bro. Yeah, I can get on all of them.
Those rides look crazy.
I'm pretty sure they're pretty fast. So.
Ian's getting anxiety looking at this shit like, I don't know. Alright, so hello. I feel like we should just go park, bro.
Yeah, see, well, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find somebody slipping.
You think so,
Yeah.
bro? It
So,
should.
like this guy's coming out of here.
Nah, he's looking for parking.
Here is the one that they closed.
Which one?
The one that goes all the way over and there's a full drop.
Damn.
Oh.
I don't know about one, but I was gonna try to do all
Bro,
that.
I'll get on all these shit.
That one looks like a slingshot. That one that's all the way up there.
But you know what's the next thing too? The only time they really open is during summertime.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Wintertime, remember you said wintertime they do maintenance.
So we're here at Cedar Point. This is a theme park. Cool. Now we're going to the tickets counter. Yeah. We are finally inside. Well, the ride doesn't look so bad. I'll probably do that one. Yes, we're passing the kids ride. Listen, I don't know about this roller coaster. Just come on the journey with me. See what we're about to do. So this is the first ride for them. That's the other one there. So this is the ride that they're on right now. Honestly, I can't do it. It looks small on camera, but it is ridiculous in person. Like, I cannot do this. Look at that. I'm sorry. All that spinning and... Listen. At least he has company. He has his co-worker with him, so that's good, but I cannot do that ride. Look at that. Hell. Just keeps going. Oh. Sorry. Oh. And it did that spin. Oh, hell no. But this is the cool part though, I'm not gonna lie, because they have so many different places they can eat. They have big rides for adults and also have like Starbucks and all of them places there. Like places where you can rest stops and stuff like that. And gift shops. I like that. It's a big park. And it was only online, it's $50, and if you come here in person it's $75. So might as well just get the ticket online. That's like a kiddies ride right here. And like I said, it's called Cedar Point here in Ohio. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but when you know me, I want to know my accent strong. I got strong accent. There's a lot of roller coasters. See one over there, so I have one up the front there, and I think I have some more down that side as well. One thing I can say about this place, it's, I don't know, it feels like it's hotter than Florida. It's hot, but no sir. I had to go to Starbucks and get some napkin for cause no, the heat here different. So guys, oh, I'm trying to make the best of it. I'm wearing clothes, guys, don't worry. Look like I'm not wearing clothes, but this is the outfit of the day. Yeah. So guys, this is ride number 2. I know the sun just right in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at this drop. And I should go on it. Look. Oh hell no. These rides are ridiculous. And there's another drop. 2 ridiculous drops. So we're in the kiddies section again, heading to this ride over here, this one right here. That's ridiculous. That one, it goes up and then it goes back down backwards. Oh, how cute. I thought they would have like fish and stuff in there, but I guess not. I'm gonna show you guys this ride when it's going up and going backwards. Guys, I'm breathing heavy because it's hot and I'm walking. That little kiddie's bumper ride is so cute. That's cute. Put me on one of those. At this point, just put me on one of those. This, look at it close. In the meantime, let me show you guys this one. It's going up. It's like a merry-go-round, but I don't know. So it goes up slow. This is a kiddie's ride. And then it goes up like this. Nope. But this one, see it coming back down slow. So that one is not bad though, but it's really high. I don't know. It's really high. This is ridiculous. This is a cute ride though. It's not too crazy, no drop or anything. You just go up with your slow and come back down with it slow. Alright, so I'm about to record my boyfriend and his co-worker.
a beach right here. I didn't even know. Oh wow, it's a beach right here. That's cool. So once you're on the ride, you're like over the beach. How cool is that? Walkway, boardwalks and everything. That's cool. So you're the beach there and you're just right here on the right over the beach. So this is the next ride. I can't even see the front what's gonna happen. But let's see. Oh, it's a drop. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, so the ride is around that side, so I'm not really seeing much. Alright, so this ride is called the Power Tower. I think I showed it to you guys earlier. This one carry all the way up and then it dropped. So let's see what's about to happen. It's like 4 of them at the same time.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And then over there you have another roller coaster. Yo, this place is packed with roller coasters, yo. I can't keep up. And then behind me is another roller coaster. It's like over this lake. It's cool. I ain't gonna lie, this is a cool park. If you love roller coasters, this is the perfect park for you. So we are now leaving the park. It was fun. See you next time. So guys, we're here at Benihana's. We're about to have dinner. Yeah, it's pretty late. It's like 10:40 p.m. Yeah, dinner. So yeah, just keeping you guys updated and I'll show you guys what we're about to get or what we're about to eat and drink. Like I said, we're at Benihana's. They gave us like salad and soup. Start off with that and then we get into the food. That's a heart?
Yeah, for you.
Oh, thank you.
I like a beating. You know, butter, huh? How you want the rice? How do I want it? Yeah, one down, one up. What do you mean? Like, so you get two. Oh, I kill one.
One now, one later?
Yeah, yeah. One for now. Yeah, now. Same? Yeah, same thing. Can I get 3 balls? Oh, you want 3 balls? Yeah, it's my birthday. So with rice and one empty?
Here goes my plate.
Okay, thank you, man. For you?
Same.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
shrimp
Thank you so much.
with the fried rice and cucumber. I didn't want any onion and no mushroom. But yeah, this is my food. Macarona. So we're here at the mall in Detroit, Michigan. Streets of Detroit. Have the same stores like what we have in Florida, like Spencer's, Finish Line, Foot Action. A lot. Wait, what is mall called in?
No idea. Fairlane Mall.
Oh, Fairlane Town Center. It's a town center?
Town Center.
Oh gosh, what a name. I'm gonna just call it Detroit Mall, Michigan Mall. Alright, we're going into Forever 21. What's that? Nah.
This is fresh. Nobody knows who this is. You know who this is?
Of course. City Girls. They even have a gym in crazy. Alright, so we're in the food court and there's a sign that says welcome to Dearborn. Because we're in Dearborn, Michigan. Welcome to Dearborn. So we're here at this drive-through taco truck. I get some tacos.
No cheese. That's the first time you gave me that option. Cheese? Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'm getting some tacos. Yeah, let's see. So like I said, we're here at this taco place. Getting some tacos.
That little bit this morning, like around 5, I ate a little bit of the food. At 5, you ate a little bit of
It's a food truck, so yeah. Not much for say, just a show. Now I'll show them the food when we get it.
chorizo.
Chorizo?
Fire? Like fire. Right now I'm not getting the taco one. I just been into straight rice.
This actually tastes good. Tastes good. One thing I can say about Detroit is a lot of bees. A lot of bees, same thing with Ohio. I say pronounce it Ohio. Yeah. Bees like crazy. Yeah. Same weather. But same weather like Florida. Hot. Not humid, but hot. But
I feel like I need one more taco.
tacos are good too.
One you had already. Three?
Good tacos.
So
So the next stop is Lafayette, Kurly Island. Guess it's two of them. Oh sure, these pigeons. Anyways, you have the American one, American Coney Island, and the regular one. Let's see. Hello. So this is how it's looking. This is the pony.
Okay, I got a cash out. Stay here.
Alright, stick in. Wagwan KK Squad. So I am back home in Florida. Yes, just got home, took a shower, washed my hair, wash the braids, because you know, traveling on plane with germs and all of them extra something there. Well, I have to get rid of the germs, so I clean up from head to toe before I get back on here. So I just came back on here to show you guys what I got my boyfriend for his birthday, his gifts. I wasn't able to bring his gift to Detroit because yeah, just never have much space, and I'm home today, I'm back home, but he's coming tomorrow. So yeah, he's gonna get his gift anyways. It's not like he's not big on birthdays like how I am. I am big on birthday. When it's my birthday, like, it's a big deal, and when it's other people's birthday as well, for me it's a big deal, but for him, birthday is not really a big deal. So when he comes home, he'll get his gift. And so let me show you guys what I got. So this year I didn't go crazy with the gifts. I usually get like different stuff, you know, just put like alcohol, his favorite alcohol, shoes, shirt, this, that, or Apple Watch, or you know. I got him this t-shirt to match with the shoes that I got him. So I have to pull out the gift because listen, I had everything packed for him when he comes back from Detroit, and you know, plans change and I had to end up going there. But yeah, I got him this. Hold on guys. Yeah, so I got him these shoes as well. 350 boost. It's a Yeezy shoes. He already have the Yeezy in white, so I got him these. These are the Mana Ice. The blue is so pretty in person. It might not show on camera, but I got the shirt to match these shoes. As you can see, it's the Adidas Yeezy. It looks pale on camera, but blue is actually like the blue on the shirt, so that's why I got this shirt. They also had the shirts with these shoes, these same color shoes, the Mana Ice, on the t-shirts. It looked cute to me, but I know he wouldn't want that. Shoes on the shirt and the shoes on his feet, he wouldn't want that, so I just, all right, let me get something simple, born fresh. So these are his gift, the t-shirt and the shoes. Tired all over my face, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, share, comment down below your favorite part of this vlog if you made it to the end. Thank you for the support. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.